I'm Shelly Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a new page to your website. So I'm going to jump into a website that I already have ready to go. So I'll go into my testing website and I'm going to click Edit Website. When I go into this website dashboard, it actually shows me all of the pages that I have already in my website. And so far, I only have one, which is the home page. So if I want to add a new page, all I have to do is click Create New Page. I'm now in the area where I've created the new page, and I have to set up the general settings for this page. So I have to have a name, title, and description. And once I get the name, title, and description, I can scroll down and add any page head scripts that I want to add. And also I can work with some SEO settings. So if I collapse this area, the general settings, and then expand the SEO settings, I can set my keywords specifically for this page. And then I can also add my shared image. And to add your image, you just click Choose and choose from your digital file repository. Once you have everything added on the page settings area, you're going to click Save. And now your new page is created and you're ready to start editing. And the way you start editing is just click Enter in Editor and you can start editing your new page. So that's how you add a new page in Cheetah. Have fun building something amazing in Cheetah.